How to convert PNG to JPG in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can convert PNG to JPG in your Android device using various online tools. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, open up Google in your device and in the search bar type in PNG to JPG Converter. So from all of the search results, you can use different websites that provides image conversion services. So from this link given here, you can head over to any one of that. After that, upload your PNG file. Tap on Upload Files. And from your device, select the file that you want to convert. So once the file is ready to download, tap on Download All. And once the download is complete, now you can open up your JPZ file. And there you go, you have your JPZ file right there. And that's how you can convert PNG to JPG in Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.